guys, I have something new to share with you today, and here she is. Her name is Claire. It's just the top of a wig, basically. For people like me who suffer from alopecia, where there's not much hair on the top of your head, this is perfect when you're insecure, when you have some days that you just don't feel right showing the top of your head. This will be your best friend. But I'll show you, it has 4 clips here, and they just snap open, and they're not harmful to your hair because they're soft, so they're not going to tear your hair. So I'd like to show you how it works. First, I face it away from me. So that looks a little better to me. So there you go. You have the top. So what I like to do is to take the sides and put in some clips. So you have that. Or you can go with some bigger bows in the back. Thing about a hair topper is that you can actually do a high ponytail. There we go. You like it? Give me a thumbs up if you do. Thanks for watching.